So guys, we all have come up with 3 ideas for each roadblock. And now it's time to define our action plans for the same ideas which resonate with us. Okay. So everybody is going to take some time and come up with the action plan, with a concrete action plan, what he is going to do for it, he or she is going to do for it, when he is going to he or she is going to do for it, right? So take your time and come out with the action plans concretely.
Done.
Good.
I'm also done.
Great. Great. I'm also done. Jyoti and Usha and Astha are remaining.
Dr.
Jyoti,
Saab,
are
how
you
much
done?
time we have for this?
6 minutes. 6 minutes we have.
Jyoti ji is done and Usha ji is done. All
Usha
are
is
done.
also done. Usha ji also
Yeah.
done. Yeah. So we are waiting for Astha.
Okay,
Astha is also done.
I'm done. I'm just having. Anyway, I'll discuss it when it's my turn. Yeah. Okay, I'm done.
No issue. No issue. You can come first. No issue.
Okay. So, take help. I will ask my family to do some tasks this week, such as like home like some of my chores. I will hand over to my family this week and go towards the outcome. I don't know how to make that an action plan.
Let's just combine both of this. Your outcome is having 3 tasks of the house done by your family member. That is going to be accountable for your first idea as well as include your
Okay.
second idea.
Okay. Or maybe I can have,
No, this is okay. This is okay. Let's
Yeah.
go with this
So
one.
I'll add to that. I'll add to that. Thanks for the idea. But I'll also I'll make an outcome plan, like what outcome I want to achieve actually. Yeah, because sometimes what happens, I tend to, maybe
What
do
time?
something.
What time you will make outcome plan?
In the morning. In the morning at 9 a.m. Before I start,
Good.
into going into my chores, I'll make an outcome plan, like what I really want to achieve that day, so that
For
I'm
every
clear
day?
what I'm going towards.
Cool.
Okay,
That
great,
works.
great.
Okay, and then think before you take on anything. So I will just be very cautious and
Fast.
before I say yes to anything, when someone asks me for anything to do anything.
For this, I want to make a
Fast.
suggestion, Asta. Like,
Yeah,
you
Hurry up,
must
hurry up,
not
guys. We have
reply
less time. We have
immediately
only
to
4 minutes.
anyone.
don't
We have
reply
only 4 minutes,
immediately.
guys.
Okay. Dr. Surendra is trying to say something. Guys,
Okay.
please just hurry up a bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
so and then I will say no at least 4 times this week to 4 different things, and don't expect others to like you. I'll just remind myself.
Great. Come
Good,
on, Suman.
great.
come.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'm going next now. What I'm going to do is
Yeah,
I have combined my ideas into the action plan. So I'm going to
Okay,
set the
great.
task using a tech app. Okay, Como Focus app. I'm going to use the set tag Como Focus app, and I'm going to
Okay.
keep a delayed tag. So this is combining both multitasking as well as this thing. So this combines all my ideas actually together. This is the only thing I'm going to do, but it combines all my ideas.
Dr. Lalita, fast.
Yeah, sir, for me as well, like having accountability partner and learning the technology or using the technology all together, I'm going to use 2 apps. I'll find them today, and by Saturday, I'll start using them. Secondly, I'll start saying no and stop pleasing people. So I'm going to say no to those 3 people, and automatically it will, stop pleasing them. So these 2 include all my ideas, I think, into action plan.
Okay, great. Yes, Usha.
My action plan is to make 3 YouTube videos. I will take baby steps. I will make a few seconds video first, then 2 minutes, then little more than that, and I will stop. I will only accept constructive criticism from others, and then I will reward myself every activity I complete. And I will also learn WeTransfer app, how to transfer big files to people. I will accept help from others and learn it.
Great.
And then I will do what I feel I can do, not what people tell me to do. I will also say that I will not do if you are going to tell me. I'll attach the emotions to what I want to do. Then
Hurry
yeah,
up.
I will not try to copy others or whatever they are doing just because they are doing. I will not compare myself. Yeah.
Jyoti, come on. Great,
Yeah.
Usha. Jyoti,
So
fast.
yeah, so I'll start. I have to work towards digital presence. So I will take baby steps, and I will
Okay.
create a checklist. I'll set deadlines.
Great.
So every day morning, I'll record my the things to do that I have to do, and I will post on WhatsApp so that my accountability partners know about it. And the second is multitasking. So I will delegate the work which doesn't require my presence. I'll delegate, and I'll set priorities. So I will plan and schedule, and I will learn to say no so that I have time for myself, for my health and other activities. So I will
Great.
record all of it, and I will make it known to
Great.
my accountability partners.
Wow,
Great.
awesome.
For me, is positive self-talks in the morning to develop power codes. Make a to-do list for every night for the next day, and take baby steps for everything what I decided to do. This is under power procrastination. And for multitasking, I'll count 10 before taking any decision, impulsive decision. I'll keep visible board in my office to remind me what I am doing so that I can stick to it. I will also evaluate the other person before giving my time. So these are my action plans, and I will start immediately since today onwards. So guys,
Great.
this
Awesome.
was a wonderful session. looking great outcome of this mastermind. Thank you very much. Thank you.